by these hopeless echoes? Gaze upon me and prepare for oblivion's embrace. For I am Dark Enchantress Cookie.
I'm sorry. It's just this place reminded me of our secret garden. Dark Enchantress Cookie. Do you remember how we used to walk around in our garden, talking about how to better the future of cookies? Tell me, was this the so-called bright future you dreamed of? Cookies fighting cookies? Cookies bringing wanton destruction?
Silence! You cannot even begin to fathom the atrocities I have witnessed that night. That night. The night of the witches. All of you hypocrites, to hail yourselves as heroes and saviors, when you do not even realize our true nature, the true reason for our birth into this world. Only I can save all of Earthbred. Small sacrifices are inevitable on the path to peace.
Small sacrifices? The loss of any life is an unnecessary tragedy.
Ha! Typical hypocrisy. You who sacrificed yourself and the entire kingdom only to imprison me has the audacity to say so? Your incessant facade of righteousness can go straight back to the oven. Even that cursed smile of yours, that very last smile. All of it.
Wait.